channel. So today I have for you a Disney video. We are going to Disney World for our 4th time with the children. I've been as a child, but this will be my 4th visit as an adult. And we're going in 2.5 weeks. And today I am packing up my purse and then my husband's park bag. So I will take you along on that journey. And I will also show you my daughter's purse. She's got a crossbody small little purse. She's 11 years old. And what else? And then I can show you my carry-on bag for the plane ride, and I can kind of explain to you what I plan to put in there. My husband will probably just use his park bag. It's a big backpack we got last trip 4.5 years ago. It's a Disney backpack. It's quite large, has lots of zippers, and he probably will just want his phone, to be honest, and that'll be a spot that he can put it in while we're, you know, traveling to the airport and, you know, doing all that stuff until he's ready for his phone. He might want a book or a magazine. I'm not sure. That'll be something I ask him soon so that we can go either purchase a magazine or get a book. I'm thinking of getting a couple books within the next week, probably like a week before, to see, or maybe even just a few days before, to see if they have a book instead of buying it like at the bookstore. Although no, I really do want to own these books that I might be wanting, so we'll see. Or going to the bookstore and actually purchasing maybe one each week, so we can stay on a budget so that we have lots of money to spend in Disney. So without further ado, let's go pack our bag. Alright, so here on our bed, I have for you all the items that I've been packing. I got some put already in that little, I don't even know what little animal bag that is from Girl Scouts. This is my purse I got at Kohl's on a sale. I believe it was only $20 or $25. My mom has one similar. We'll both be taking with us. This is a like fuchsia pink bow, and then Minnie is, and Mickey is in their reddish to pink little outfits. It's got the black ears. It's got a handle right here to hold, and then the straps. So the straps aren't the greatest, like you get those ones from the park. Yeah, but it's still a wonderful bag for the price. You have the front zippered pouch here, your main area, and it doesn't have any zippered areas inside and nothing in the back. So I'll be packing that with you. Then we have, this is going to be my carry-on that I've gotten 8 years ago, I think, on, I think it was from Amazon. My parents had got it for me for the Christmas prior to going. And it's just basically a bag. Nothing, no zipper. Oh, yes, it does. It has a zippered here. And then the main compartment. And it's a decent size. So this here is our Walt Disney backpack that we got. I'm trying to think. I think it was last time. I think in 2017. When you spent over, like, I don't know if it was $50 or $70 or $100. It might have been the $100 mark. For $20, you could buy this backpack. So we got 2 of them. So it's got here this front zippered pouch here. Then this one right here. Then you've got this zipper. And then your main compartment of a bag. No other zippers in there. And on each side, you got your water bottle area. So that will be, and Emma's used it for summer camp. So he might want to take this off. We'll see for Steven to carry it. But we've got a BB-8 that we've gotten at Disney. And in Lego store, a little Lego girl that's all turned around. So that will be his park bag for all of us to have these other bigger items that won't go in Mommy's purse. And a carry-on for the plane. And we'll be packing that as well. So let's first pack my purse. Alright, so the plan is with my purse in this front area, I want my chapstick lip balm. I've got this from Dollar Tree by Vaseline. This is a brand new one. It's just the plain original. I like that one. I also got from Dollar Tree the Vaseline with the rose, and that'll go in the purse, but I got a little compartment thing for that. What I'm gonna do is, these are some hand sanitizers and they're getting empty, so we have many big bottles like this that we're gonna pour into them, so I can put one right in here, and then that way when we're eating, afterwards, going to the bathroom, whenever, coming off the ride, we'll have it right here, because this will be off my back as I come out of the ride, and we can put it on and after eating and such like that. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then this big one is going to go, you'll see, in the my husband's park bag, which we'll probably be putting in my mom's basket of her electronic like wheelchair. And I want to put in a tissue, which these I found at Dollar Tree to look like mini, right in there. And then I think my phone will go in there as well. Although maybe the tissues, I think I need room for my phone. So these are going to go in the main compartment, but what I want to show you first is I'm deciding if this is going to go with my husband's bag. I think it's going to. So this is our first aid stuff. Let me pull out things and show you what we have. Okay, so these are the items for my first aid little bag. So we've got some antibacterial wipes. These are just from, I think, Dollar Tree. These are these are some gauze pads along with the tape, just in case we, fall down and get hurt. Some bunch of Band-Aids. What do we have over here? This is some Bacitracin, zinc ointment, some Neosporin with the pain relief, some Dollar Tree Assured, like Tums. We got a little bit of cough drops I took out of the little bag so they'd be easier to pack. Just a Dollar Tree thermometer, just in case. Some off bite and itch relief in case we get bug bites at night. A little thing of Advil with 10 tablets. Another little gauze in case we get hurt. Some of this Zarbee's Naturals Children's Sleep Liquid with melatonin. I think it's going to be more for me, but in case the kids need it, I think they'll sleep fine. It's going to be more for me. I have trouble sleeping, and I figure that's like a natural brand. Then I have a few of these Tylenol Extra Strength. I have a few in there. And then these are regular children's Tylenol. So they're chewables in grape in case they need it. Headaches, aches, whatever. And then this is in case for Emma. This is her Midol. And that's it for the first aid. And this is the little pouch that we're going to put it in. And that's going to go in Steven's park bag / carry-on. Okay, an item for my purse is going to be the M&M little mini container, which if you didn't see one of our other videos, I showed you how we put pennies and quarters in here for the penny machines. I'm hoping that they're still going so that we can make some. That will go in my purse, along with some tissues, some hand sanitizer, some hair clips, some chapsticks, and a roll-on perfume for when I'm like out and about, if I think I smell and I can add that. But I will have in my suitcase some perfume that I'll use in the morning. So these are going to go in here. This one's for Steven. That we'll put in, this will go in my purse. And then I think we'll put, this is an extra hand sanitizer we'll put in there. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here as well if it fits. Yep, so they don't fall all over my purse. I need pills. So I will fill this up the day before we go. That will go in my purse as well. For when we're out at dinner, I need to take my pills. I also have this. I got off Amazon. The Body Glide, so you put it on your like your thighs if you want to make sure you don't you know, they don't scrape together. We packed this as well from Dollar Tree. I got it for me and Emma. Just another little travel. Oh, actually no, I didn't get this. Did I get this at Dollar Tree? Or I might have got this at the market. For us in the purse during the day. And then some gum that this we had already had, so we'll take this. And then I'm going to take 6 sandwich-sized Ziploc bags for, let's say we have a snack and all the kids are having our own snack and they don't finish theirs. We can put it, hopefully it's a smaller size snack. Obviously ice cream they'll have, but anything like a little cookie or something we can put, and then we'll put it in like the bigger bag of Stevens. But I'm going to put these in my purse to have for each day at the park. That will go in there. I bought a Tide to Go pen in case we make a mess on our shirts. And then I'm going to pack some extra masks. I think these are going to go inside the big one for Steven to take. I'll put in there. And I think I'm going to put these two, even though these aren't the best options because they don't do the filter, but just in case. My parents had bought back a few months back some what are these called? N95s. So this is a pack of 10, so that'll help us. We're going to use those for the airplane because the air there doesn't have places to circulate, and that would be probably like tentatively your worst spot to get COVID. So we're going to all wear these on the plane, and maybe probably the day we leave and the day we come back because of the airplane. So we're going to put those in Steven's bag for now. We're going to have our ponchos. These we've had, and I don't even know where my husband got these because I don't think I got them. I don't know if my dad had them, but we got 3 blue and a yellow for if it rains. They're going to go in here. And then, hang on. And then we have the sunblock, which actually I'm going to put one of these in my suitcase, I think, for the hotel to start our day. And then we have this one, and then we have this one, and then we do have a stick for the face. So these are all going to go in here. But I will put these in, like this one here, it's a cream. So I'll make sure I get a Ziploc bag to put that in. Those will go in there. And then these we've gotten, I think, our first trip in 09, I want to say. So what I got to go do is the batteries are not working. So I got to go switch the battery. And they spin, and then you can spray the water. And there's a spot to fill up the water. So we have 2 of them. And we'll put them in there. And that way if it gets really hot, the kids can use those. And there's a strap to hang it around you. Or if we just want to hang them on like my mom's electronic wheelchair, something like that, or just have them in the bag. But we'll decide if we want to take those or not, because the kids are going to be also taking their, like, it's like a backpack water thing, and then it has a straw that comes around to their face, and they can get the water that way. These are the umbrellas that I had bought for the children to go to school. So that way if I'm working and they have to be at the bus stop, they each have one to walk to the bus with. So I'm going to pack those. And this will be enough for like Daddy and Ben, me and Emma. If we don't want to do poncho, if it's just too hot and sticky, or if it's not that much rain and we just want to do umbrellas, we'll have those in this main bag. And that's it for now that we can think of for in the bag. I think that should be it. We might pack some snacks, and we'll put that in there as well. Like maybe either in here or in there in a separate bag. Put some on the sides. So that is our park bag / carry-on for Steven. He'll take that. This is my purse that I'll be taking on the plane and to the parks. This is Emma's purse we got off Amazon. She loves Stitch, and it actually had more room than what we first thought. So right here, it opens, and you have a spot here for, it looks like 3 spots for a card. So she has 4 gift cards. I might let her just put them in here when we leave. Then as you see, this opens, and then you have this zippered pouch, which has 2 spots right here. So she's thinking of putting some chapstick, her phone can go right maybe over here on this spot. So there's really like 3 spots, but this one here zips up, and then this would be closed up there, and she could just get her phone right there. She's going to have a Stitch phone case on her phone as well. So that will be hers, and it'll be crossbody, so she'll have it on her at all times. So that's her purse. And then, like I said, this is my carry-on that I will use for the plane ride, and I'll have maybe my phone, probably even my charger, so if it's getting dead by the time we get to the hotel, I can charge it. And then my books, and maybe some snacks, maybe a water, I don't know, probably not, but we'll be getting breakfast, I think, once we get to the airport, and we'll be eating as we wait, you know what I mean? Alright guys, so that is our video for this week. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you on the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so you know when they go live. Give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and as always, enjoy the glitter. Enjoy Mickey.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me.